we have added a very exciting feature called record mode. In record mode, when we play the simulation, all of the cuts are recorded and stored in memory. I will now play this operation in high speed. When we play the simulation, you will notice that there is a red bar drawn across the top of the operations list. This is denoting that this operation is being recorded, or these cuts are being recorded, and that we can scroll through them. When the simulation is played, you can then take the scroll bar and go forward and backward at any point. This is extremely nice if you want to scroll through and see how the toolpath is cutting. And it's extremely fast, as you can see. There are two ways of jumping through the simulator, which we'll go over on one of the next videos.